Welcome back to Bloop. Here we are going to talk about how to subscribe for the web tool, or how to subscribe to purchase one of our 4 tools. As we have said in our previous video on the website navigation, we would require a registration to be done first in order for you to subscribe or use the web tool. In that video we already showed you how we can register so much easily, and here is the ID and password that we use at the time, and let's log into the system. And it correctly identifies me as that Max50 and also provides me a hyperlink to the signer page if I need to sign a document right now. At this moment, however, our website supports only Internet Explorer 7 and above. We are working on making it suitable for Firefox and Chrome in our future releases. For now, in order for you to use our product, you must have Internet Explorer, which is obviously free to download from the internet. Now, we specifically want to talk about the accounts and subscription page in this video. In order for you to download any of these tools for a subscription fee, we need to click accounts and subscriptions. The website already has a list of companies that do business with us, and if your company is not one of them, you can enter your company information, and from then onward it'll exist in our database, so we need not do it again. At the moment, the companies that we do business with are these are just a list of made up names for demo purpose. In a real situation, it'll show actual business names. Now, if your company is not one of them, don't worry, we can easily create your company to show up in this list. But if your company was Microsystem and you selected that, as soon as you did that, the Microsystem also shows up here. And this is not an editable text box, so it is linked with this selection. And now all you have to do is put your phone number and select the product that you want to buy, or you can actually defer it till later as well if you have not made up your mind. If you want to decide on this after talking to a customer representative or sales personnel, you can select, or you can ask for that at that moment of time. But if you want to do it electronically without needing to call anyone, you could select it at this moment and simply put a phone number here and save and proceed to checkout. At that point of time, an email will be sent out with further instruction how to complete the checkout process to the email address that you have put in here, and the phone number that you have mentioned here. Someone from our side will call you and guide you through the rest of the process. Because these tools are designed for commercial uses and business uses, and not for private individuals' home use, it is important for us to talk to you on many other questions, such as how many licenses would you need for your business. In other words, how many instances of these tools that you might require to be sent out to throughout your business if your business is spread across a large geographic area. So for example, if you have decided to purchase the professional version or the ultimate version, then you and you want this version to be available to say to 30 people in your company, and then you want to buy another one called a fiddle, and you want this to be available to another 20 different people in some other parts of your company, some other offices in your company. So that flexibility could not be covered on a website. That is why we need to talk. And we have got huge group discount based on the number of licenses you would need. And from then onwards, it's just worry free, and the fee that we charge is, you'll be surprised, will be extremely cost effective. Now if you proceed to check out and everything is right, the system will give you a message here that everything is fine. And alternatively, if you didn't have your business listed here, all you have to do is just expand that, fill it up, and verify your company information. If you have missed anything here, if there was a required field and you missed, that'll indicate back to you immediately on top saying that you need to fill in this particular information. And on doing so, the name of that company, the new company, will show up here as well. And at the time of save and proceed for checkout, your company will now exist in our system and can be retrieved later from this drop down. So as easy as that. Now for those who already have a subscription and just want to renew at the end of the year, all he has to do is put his serial number or the product key here and click renew. At that point of time, you will be intimated about or informed about the confirmation of renewal, and if required, someone will call you. In case you have forgotten your serial number, please don't worry. We have other information for you to verify, and someone in our customer service will help you through that. This is as simple as that. This is all about our tool, and we are now going to show you in our next video how the web signer tool itself works. Thank you.